Have you ever heard of the Marshmallow Test? You get left alone in a room with one marshmallow. If you don't eat it, you get 2 marshmallows. But the temptation proves too much for some people. But before marshmallows were used to destroy cities or torture children, did you know they were used as medicine? How did marshmallows go from medicine to candy? And what does it have to do with an ancient Greek physician, an offering to the Egyptian gods, candy makers in the 19th century, and an engineering marvel? Peep behind the veil of history as we uncover the marshmallow's wacky metamorphosis. We eat a lot of marshmallows. In the US alone, people buy about 40 million kilograms of marshmallows each year. That's equal to about 1,500 gray whales. It's a lot of marshmallows. Eating that many marshmallows would rot your teeth. But ironically, one of the marshmallow's first uses was curing toothaches. But the early marshmallow medicine was nothing like the puffy candy we eat today. Do you know that marshmallows come from plants? The marshmallow plant grows in marshes throughout Europe and West Asia. Way back in the 9th century, a Greek physician named Dioscorides discovered that the marshmallow plant could soothe toothaches and heal wounds. And the Romans discovered they could use it as a laxative. So how did it become a candy? Like many things, it came from ancient Egypt. It started as a honey, candy flavored and thickened with sap from the marshmallow plant. This treat was deemed too delicious for the common folk. Only the Egyptian nobility and their gods were allowed to eat it. The marshmallow's medicinal uses persisted throughout history. In the Middle Ages, people used marshmallow roots to treat everything from insomnia to the common cold. By the 19th century, doctors used marshmallow plant extract to make a medicinal candy to soothe sore throats. That sounds like a sweet treatment, if you ask me. Although it worked, it didn't taste very good, surprisingly. Candy makers cooked the extract with egg whites and sugar and whipped it into a meringue. After the meringue hardened, the candy makers broke it into pieces. Voila! Sweet lozenges with the medicinal properties of marshmallow. Today, you can use marshmallow root extract to help with cold symptoms or apply it to wounds to relieve pain. But that still doesn't explain how the marshmallow went from a hard lozenge to a spongy pillow. This shows how science can ruin and improve something at the same time. After World War II, an Illinois manufacturer named Alex Dumack experimented with different methods of making marshmallows. Dumack discovered the extrusion process, which revolutionized marshmallow production and is used to make many other products. The extrusion machine pipes the fluffy white meringue mixture through long tubes, making a tubular shape cut into equal pieces. Today, Kraft blasts the meringue with 1,379 kilopascals of air pressure as it moves through the tube, making the fluffy, spongy, jet-puffed creation we know and love. But the gooey marshmallow root juice proved troublesome for the fancy new machine, so the recipe uses gelatin created from discarded animal parts like skin and tendons. And the marshmallow plant is not used to make marshmallows. And so the marshmallow lost all of its healing properties, unless you count sitting around the campfire roasting marshmallows as healing. And I do. If you like tales of ancient cuisines, check out the rise and fall of foie gras here on Origins of Food.